In this video, we'll show you how to add $mocap to any model using Unreal's IK Rig feature. We're using Unreal 5.5, creating a new project, and starting with the first step of preparation. There are 3 steps in total, and you can refer to the documentation link in the video description. We have already downloaded the required files. We'll extract them and copy them to the project's content directory. Back in the project, we activate OSC in the plugin settings, then restart the project. We've completed step 1. Then in the content directory, we create a new bot directory and import the model. After importing, select all and save. Let's proceed with step 3. We select sk_mannequin, right-click and create a new IK rig. After opening the IK rig, we click Auto Create Retarget Chains. You can see the newly created retarget chains in the bottom right. Then we proceed to step 4. We go back to the bot directory, right-click on bot, and create an IK rig. Then similarly auto create retarget chains. If your model cannot be generated automatically, you can manually add retarget chains to the model. We proceed to step 5. We select the mannequin's IK rig, right-click and select Create IK Retargeter. Double-click to open. You can see the source IK rig has automatically selected mannequin. In Target, we select the IK bot we just created. This way, we can retarget the mannequin's movements to our model. However, in Output, we'll see IK goal-related errors. We go back to IK bot and modify the IK goal-related settings to none. Back in the retargeter, we see success in the output panel. Next, we need to change the mannequin to T-pose. We switch the mode to Editing Retarget Pose. Select Source to switch to Mannequin Skeleton. Then adjust the window settings appropriately for easier pose adjustment. We adjust the shoulders upward slightly. Then level the arms. The same for the right hand. Finally, we bring the legs slightly closer together. Please note that the finger poses of both models still differ. If you want better results, you can further adjust the mannequin's pose to match our model more closely. We'll skip this here to save time. We've completed step 5. Then we start step 6, creating an animation blueprint for the model. We go back to the bot directory, right-click on the bot model, create a new animation blueprint, double-click to open. In AnimGraph, we add a retarget pose from Mesh node. In the node settings, we select the retarget asset we just created. Then we click on Source Mesh Component and promote it to a variable. Save and compile. We've completed step 6. Let's proceed with step 7. We create a new blueprint, selecting $Mocap actor as the parent class. We name it BP_bot. Double-click to open. Then we add our model and the mannequin model to this blueprint. We first add the animation blueprint from the plugin to the mannequin. After adding, you can see the mannequin changes to T-pose. For the bot model, we add the animation blueprint we just created. Enter event graph, select the bot component, get its animation blueprint instance, and cast it to our animation blueprint. The source mesh variable we dragged out in the animation blueprint needs to be set to the mannequin's mesh. Connect these nodes after begin play and organize the blueprint. This way, we've set the mannequin as our retarget source. We've completed step 8. In step 9, we add the character blueprint to the scene. And in the dollars directory, we also add the receiver blueprint to the scene. In the character blueprint details, select the added receiver. Launch the dollars program, and you can see the model moves together with the mannequin. We return to the character blueprint, select the mannequin model. In the details, we find the visible option and set it to invisible. Also ensure that in the tick option below, it's set to always tick. This ensures the animation continues updating even when the mannequin is invisible. Back in the viewport, we can see only our model now. This completes adding $mocap to the model.